Hello, everybody. Hey, we're going to take this thing out today. It's a GPToys s920 Pro. And I've got the s920, and this is an upgraded version of the s920. It's a dual motor, comes with dual batteries, and a couple of other things. Um, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a generic Iron Man suit, I'll put a link to that video up here, and I'll put one down in the description. But I'm not going to do a whole lot with this thing today, but I will do at some point a speed test for you. And the S920 that I have will run on 3S. I'm going to try this on 3S and see if this one also will, but I don't want to say whether it will or not right now. And we'll do a GPS test, 2S and 3S. Anyway, take this thing out for a short drive. I'm not up to too much, and we'll see what this thing will do. Okay, today I'm going to give this GPToys s920 Pro a little bit of a run. I can't do very much, but I've got the two 1000 milliamp hour batteries in there. There's some other stuff I'll go over at another point, but for now, this is not going to be a real fancy test. I'm not very mobile, so I'll do the best I can. And I'll show you guys a couple of features on this real quick. Like, okay, turn on the radio, and there's some blue LEDs on the display that whenever the car pairs up, those will turn blue. That's how you know you're paired or connected, and you can see the switch through the windshield of the car. All right, I heard the servo, so you can see the blue lights on there maybe. So anyway, we'll give this a quick test. I can't bend over much, so my photographer's gonna have to chase the car if it falls over. Oh man, this thing is just like the S920. It's extremely, what is going on here?
Is it backwards?
Okay. It is extremely quiet. That's one of the quietest cars. Oh, I know what I did. I turned the servo down, and I got to trim it a little bit. Okay, so this thing has a low speed on the controller. You got low speed here, and you've got dual rate on the steering. So I'll show you. That is as tight a circle as it will turn. Let's check it out to the right. Yeah, about the same to the right. Now I'm going to turn the steering rate up. I'll just go halfway, at least according to the dial. It's halfway. So it's turning aggressively enough that you can slide it. But it makes it very controllable for somebody that's not been into the hobby. Anyway, let me go in my circles again. Okay, that's a much tighter circle in both directions. So I'm going to turn it all the way up and see if it's any tighter. That was pretty, it did get a little tighter. So that's with the steering rate turned all the way up. Okay, and this is a speed test on low speed. And I hear the tires more than any gear noise from the little truck. Now one thing, and I haven't, whoa, actually went into reverse instead of stop. One thing I don't know about this yet that I've read is it's got a 3-wire servo for steering. The S920 had a 5-wire servo. I have not verified that yet. I'll take it apart and then I'll let you know. Now I'm going to crank it up to high speed. Definitely faster. Oop, camera person to the rescue. I don't know if it'll pull a wheelie from a dead stop or not. We'll see. I know it does one going backwards. Now it spun the tires. It spun the tires again. It's got a little snap to it, but it's not pulling any wheelies. Now, I have heard, well, let's say it this way. My S920, I ran on 3S and did not have any problems out of it whatsoever. I don't want to promote running this one on 3S till I've run a couple of packs through it to see what it does. And I'll put a temp gun on it and see what kind of temperatures we're getting on 3S. Oops. Okay, that did all right. And it does appear that this one has oil-filled shocks. It is supposed to. It has 4 in the rear, 2 in the front. And it's not bouncing real bad, so I'm inclined to think that that is correct.
You were trying.
I was trying. I almost got my camera person again.
On purpose.
Oops, that was a hard hit. I don't have any angle to my curbs here. They're just pretty much 90 degrees.
That would have looked cool on slow motion.
What was that?
That would look cool on slow
Oh yeah,
motion.
yeah. Okay, well, this is about all I can handle for the day. So we'll throw a little bit of slow motion in here, and as soon as I find out what's going on with the 3-wire servo, I'll show you the battery configuration. You can't close the battery box when you're running 2 batteries, but they do include a Velcro strap. So I'll go over that in a day or two. So anyway, we'll start some slow motion and see what we can get.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the light. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the light. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the light. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall. What if I'm all that you needed? What if you're all that I want? What if our words stop the bleeding? What if my touch could heal scars? Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, what if there's no other answers? What if it comes down to us? What if we just took our chances? What if our time doesn't come? Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, lifeline. All of the others are closing their shutters and hiding away from the crowds. And all of the hunters are chasing their wonders, and I'm only lost in the clouds. Would you throw me a lifeline or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side. that you name in the moonlight. Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a light